Welcome to this tutorial about becoming a medical journal reviewer. There are several pathways on how to become a medical journal reviewer. Let us illustrate them one by one. The first one, if you have many connections, your supervisor, your friend, anyone you know it is an editor, he can invite you to review any manuscript in the journal in which he is an editor. The second issue, posts in your network for editors who want to add some reviewers into their list. You can search on social media, for example, LinkedIn. You can search with the reviewer application, select posts and scroll down. You will find some posts about PhD scholars, yes, journal of virtual exchange volunteer reviewers, and so on. Third issue, you have to activate the reviewer option during submission. If you are a co-author of any paper, you may receive a confirming submission to your journal. Okay, there will be a link to track the status of your manuscript. You can create an account in that journal. Let us make a random one. Google heart and lung. Heart and lung. Accept. You can go to submit. Let us create an account, register now. I have an account there, but I want to show you. Rehab. Continue. You will find an option called available as a reviewer. You can select yes for this question, in which the editor may send you a reviewer invitation. The fourth pathway is being a corresponding author of a published paper. Let us open that my profile. Okay. Let's open this paper. I'm the corresponding author of this paper. Therefore, some authors may invite me, as I have my email here in this paper. Okay. The fifth pathway is direct email to the editor-in-chief asking for joining the reviewers board in any specific journal. How to find an email? Let's take an example of heart and lung. Click back. About editorial board. You have here the Nancy S. Rediker, which is the editorial board, which is the editor-in-chief in the journal. If you didn't find her email, we can search in contact lists, contact us. Here, this is her email. You can send her an email showing that you are interested to join the reviewer board in Heart and Lung Journal. The sixth pathway is by luck, in which you are an co-author of any paper, and some authors like me who want to add some reviewer list when they submit their paper. I may insert your email and your contact number by luck. What are the benefits of being a reviewer? The first and the important thing for medical students, which is building a good connection. You can ask for rule in the future from your supervisor, from your friend, etc. It enhances your CV. It increases your knowledge and experience to join the editorial board. Being a reviewer is the first step to become an editor in the future. as you know how things can go in any journal. The fourth, which is an important ethical point, getting new ideas from papers you are reviewing. You should not steal others' idea. How can you get an idea from a paper you are reviewing? If you are reviewing a paper like this, cardiovascular manifestations of monkeypox, you can make a paper about ophthalmic manifestations of monkeypox. However, you cannot perform the same idea, which is cardiovascular manifestation of monkeypox you are reviewing. This is unethical. Uh, you are meant to improve the scientific content because medical research impacts the patient's life, and not only patients but also the healthy individuals. The sixth issue, which is an important for you, some journals offer money for reviewers. However, this is a rare condition, and be aware of this because they may steal money from you if you provide them with your bank account. See you soon in next videos.